Hi friends, I'm happy to see you on my channel. Today we are drawing this funny slice of pizza. Let's get started. Firstly, we are going to draw a long triangle with a slightly curved line on the base. And another two sides will be connected approximately here. So let's connect the base and the top of the triangle. Slightly curved on the top. And connect back to the first line. Then we will draw a curvy line right under our triangle. Start from the left side and make sure that curves are different in sizes. The last curve will finish a little bit before the triangle's corner, and we will add the final curve here. The next step is to draw the face. We are going to add two round eyes with smaller circles inside as highlights. And we should leave those highlights white and color all the rest space around in. We can add eyebrows and a happy smiling mouth. One wide U shape right between the eyes. Slightly bigger U shape right under. We're gonna separate the tongue and two front teeth. Again, we will leave those white and fill the rest of the space in black, like this. Now let's draw the crust. From the corner of the triangle, we will draw a curve going down. And another one here. And we're gonna connect them together with slightly curved line parallel to the base of the triangle. Now we need to show the thickness of our pizza slice. So we will go on drawing the same line. It will start curving up. And we should stop this line somewhere in the middle of the mouth, because it's going to be the arm overlapping this line. We will leave little gap and go on drawing the matching line right until the top of the triangle. Now we are ready to draw his hands, and his right hand will show peace or victory sign. First line will start from this point, and we will curve it down and up. A matching line below. And let's connect these two lines with another curve. Now to draw the V sign, we will begin with the thumb. First we will draw one sideways U, curve at the end, and go back inside like this, and add one extra short line. Next we will draw two fingers forming letter V, and add one oval at the end. And the last line will connect the arm with the finger. Okay, I hope that was easy. Let's go on with another hand. Starting approximately on the same level here, we will begin drawing the line going downwards and to the right side, then turn it back to the body. And we will stop here before those lines. and finish with the U shape. Next we are going to draw another side of the arm, but we need to make sure that both arms are approximately the same thickness. Now we go back to this U shape. We will curve it at the end and connect it back to the body with another U shape. And as a final, we are going to add 2 more fingers behind. Now it's time to draw legs, and we will start with 2 pairs of lines. At the end of the outer lines, we are going to add some angled line, like a fork. Extend inner lines a bit. And now we can connect all 3 dots with a curved line. This is the upper part of the shoes. And now we will add 3 curved lines, forming the main shape of the shoe. The same on the other side. And once we have the main shape, we can add more details inside. Let's separate a part of the shoe with lines parallel to the bottom of the shoe. Then separate the toes. Add a circle in this corner near the heel. And as a final, we can add some laces. Separate the side of the shoe. Draw a couple of parallel lines inside. And add some dots at the end. And the same with another shoe. And finally we can draw our pizza's filling. Let's add some sausages first. And you should try to make those slices more or less same size. Maybe some part here. And maybe let's add one more on the left side. Okay. Now let's find some space for mushrooms. One curve for the head. Connect it with the part of the rectangle. I will add one more mushroom here. There is still space for one more mushroom. There are some empty spaces left, so let's fill them with vegetables. Let's say it can be bell pepper. Let's add some more details to our pepperoni. Maybe add some texture on the pizza bread. And the final touch for the shoes. And we are finally done with our first step. The line work is ready. Now we are going to color our funny guy, and I will fast forward this process. You can pause anytime that you need to catch up. And the last and my favorite part is going to be getting creative with our finished drawing. Make sure not to miss that part of the video. See you shortly! And this is it. Now you know how to draw a pizza slice. And now it's time to free your imagination and get creative with this drawing. For example, you can draw your favorite type of pizza instead of pepperoni. Mine is vegetable pizza. Or another idea, instead of peace sign, he could hold a cup of soda in his hand. That's it for today. It was fun drawing with you. And consider subscribing if you don't want to miss my next videos. Bye!